back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews, and all that other jazz for you guys. So in today's video, I'm actually going to give you a very beginner friendly makeup look, which you can see right now. I hope so. Yeah, this is the look I'm gonna show you guys today, how to create it. It's so easy. Even if you are not expert in makeup, you still will be able to rock it without any issues. So yeah, if you want to see how to create this look, just carry on watching this video. But before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. And yeah, let's just not waste any more time and get into this video. Love you all so much. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and as always, take care, stay safe. Bye. So as per the introduction, I'm gonna give you guys the most beginner friendly makeup and how you can achieve a nice glowy looking skin as well. So let's just start. So the first thing first, I'm gonna do a bit of a skin prep, and for skin prep the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my HaruHaru Wonder facial mist. I'm gonna go with my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner. You can use any toner you like. I like using this because it just makes my skin look super duper healthy and glowy. And the idea to get that nice glowy looking skin is to have that glowy base, so when you go with your makeup you're gonna have a nice flawless finish. Go with my Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. Just the 2 pumps. You really don't need this product like a lot. You only need a very small amount, and just apply it all over your face. For the primer, I'm actually going to use a little bit of a e.l.f. Putty primer. I like using this one just where I have pores, so when I go with my foundation I have much more nicer finish. So not a lot of the product, just a small amount with the e.l.f. Putty primer, and I like to just go with it, apply it all over my pores, so I have a much more nicer and clean finish. You just want to make sure with the any sort of pore filling primers, you want to, after massaging it, you want to press it in your skin a little bit so it actually goes right into your pores. Okay. And as I said, because I got myself a sample, so I have it in a tube. I don't even know if it's gonna be my color or not. It looks pretty yellow, but the girl was saying, I told her it's looking yellow, but apparently when you apply Estee Lauder foundations, they are actually tend to blend lighter. So I'm hoping this is the case, but we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna go with my Morphe 2 foundation brush, and I'm gonna start blending this. So please trust the process and bear with me. I know it's gonna look super duper yellow, but especially for my skin, but stay with me here. I haven't taken this foundation too much on my neck. I've applied a little bit, but not too much, only because I know what happened when I was blending it last time. It literally started changing color to much more lighter. So, but just to be on the safe side, whatever I have on my brush, I'm gonna match it with my whole neck, so just in case. But you have to trust the process. So as you can see, when I applied it and started blending it, it was looking super duper yellow and orange, but the more I'm blending and more is changing the color. So which was really strange for me when I was like, wow, it's really changing the color. So I'm gonna carry on blending this. I'm gonna use my Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick in shade medium. This shade might be slightly warm on top of this foundation, but I really like the formula of Mario stick because it's super duper easy to work with and it's really nice. It gives you very nice soft contour without looking like you're wearing or you did a lot of harsh contour kind of thing. And I'm gonna use my Morphe 2 contour blending brush again. These brushes are part of like Morphe 2 brush set. So if you go on Sephora's website or Morphe's website and search for Morphe 2 face brush set, this will come up. I'm gonna literally blend out my nose contour as well. My Covergirl True Blend Concealer, and this one is in shade M100, which is Golden Natural, and I'm gonna apply this just on the areas where I want to be a little bit more bright. And I also like to take some of the concealer and apply it on my brush before I start the blending. In that way I have more coverage on my under eye area without using a lot of product. So I'm going to go ahead and start blending the concealer now. Okay. Take my foundation brush and I just go over the whole thing so there are literally no harsh lines, no harshness anywhere. I'm gonna use my She Glam blush in shade Risky Business. Love using this shade, it's super duper nice and I like to apply it right on the high points of my face because I like everything super nice and lifted, so I'm going for more of that look. So I'm gonna apply it on the high point. Airbrush a Flawless Finish powder with my Tati Beauty puff, and I'm gonna take some of it and I'm gonna go by setting my under eye area first. I love using this powder because it's very lightweight and it gives you really nice airbrush looking finish. To set my contour, I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight Palette, and I'm going to take the same brush which I used to blend my cream contour, and I'm going to take some of the bronzer and just going to do it on the high points of my face. Smaller brush, any blending brush, a small one. I'm gonna take the highlighter from the same palette. I'm not using highlighters as much as I used to use it, but just for the sake of this video I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna apply it a little bit on the areas I want to be a little bit highlighted. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the most easiest eye look today, so anyone can do it without any kind of effort. See, so for this I'm actually gonna use my Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette. This is a major dimension eyeshadow palette and we all know how stunning this palette is. So just to let you know, I'm actually gonna use the cream pigments from the actual cream eyeshadows from the palette. And if you don't want to buy this palette and you still want to do this look, you can even use your cream contour, the same contour shade. It doesn't have to be exactly this palette. But I'm gonna take the shade Abundance, which is this one, and I'm gonna take my Morphe E30 brush to take the product, because it's a cream eyeshadow, so you will have to work a little bit slowly, but take a small amount first, do it easily, then do it a little bit, add more, but add slowly instead of putting too much in one go and then struggling to blend. So I'm gonna take a little bit and apply it on the outer part of my eye. First thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna pack the shade. You're not gonna do any blending. You're just gonna pack the shade. Okay. Then whatever you have left on your brush, start blending this shade outwards in more like a extended V shape. So you're taking the product in a diagonal, so you're taking the product diagonally and blending it going towards your brow. This is the only thing you need to do. Right? And I'm going to take the shade Divine, which is a little bit darker shade than the first one. And again, it's a cream eyeshadow. And I'm going to take this, the tip of my brush, and I'm going to apply this just on my outer part of my eye still, but just very close to my lash line. Again, diagonally. Brush, just smooth out the harsh lines. Now I'm going to take e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow in shade Moonloon, and I'm going to take this straight on the applicator, and I'm going to apply this on the remaining part of my lid. Blending brush, just gonna apply this right in the between the two shades, like with them. And once your first coat is a bit dried, take your cream eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow again from e.l.f. and give another coat. Lash line, I'm going to take this shade Transition, this one from the palette, and I'm going to apply this on the outer part of my lower lash line. And I'm also going to create a half wing. Now, this is a very optional step. If you don't want to do it, it's absolutely fine. If you're not totally comfortable creating a wing liner, it's fine, you don't have to. But if you want to, you can definitely take this look to a next level. And I'm going to use my Suva Beauty Hydro FX palette, and this one is a water activated liquid liners. Curl my lashes, apply some mascara, put on some false lashes, and I'll be back. Lashes on, and I have my mascara and everything else on. So for my lips, I just did a bit of a lip contouring, and for the lipstick, I'm gonna go with this Jeffree Star liquid lip in shade Celebrity Skin. Really like this shade. It's a really nice nude which looks really good, I think, on every single skin tone or anything. It won't look cakey, and it will last me a long time too. put everything on. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and as always, all the products will be mentioned in the description box below, alongside with any discount codes I have from any of the brands will be mentioned in the description box below. So if you are interested to buy from any of those brands and you want to save some money, the discount code will be in the description box below. So yeah, there we have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this a beginner friendly makeup look and a beginner friendly eye makeup look, and also some of my new favorite products I used today in this video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Love you all. Take care. See you later. Bye.